Hi everyone, welcome back to Awesome Crafter. I'm Lisa and today I'm going to show you how we're going to tie the perfect bow on craft projects and gifts. What we're going to do is we've got our project or our gift and we've got a piece of ribbon. Mine is double-sided. What we're going to do is we're going to take both of the ends of our ribbon and we are going to tie them as if we was going to tie them in a knot and place them like that. So we're going to place that one towards the top and bring this one down. Now with the left hand one, we're going to make a loop, and with the right hand piece of ribbon, we're going to tie it around and we're going to do one cycle, and then we're going to do a half a cycle now, and we're going to go round, and now we've got it at the front, we're just going to tuck it under the loop and we are going to arrange it while we pull it, and then we're just going to pull both sides of the ribbon together, and to make it a bit tighter we can just loosen it off again and then pull it tight. Then we just need to arrange the ribbon so it looks pretty on our project or our gift. Now we've got our completed ribbon, we can just finish off the ribbon tails by just folding up the piece of ribbon and just taking our scissors and just snipping. Like so, and it just finishes it off. There you have the perfect bow every time for your gifts and projects. Thanks for watching, see you on my next video, bye for now.